What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cassandra, and I'm back with another banger, y'all. So, this prank is gonna be on my two sons. So, basically, what's gonna go down today is I'm going to act as if my money is missing from my wallet, and a friend of theirs is over right now. So, I'm actually going to blame their friend for taking my money. Just stay tuned. Yo, I can't find my wallet, man. My wallet is missing. Did you guys take my money?
Why would you take your money?
What do you mean value? Where's my wallet?
I don't know.
That doesn't make no sense.
You're
Huh?
the beholder, you should know.
What?
You're the beholder, you should know. It's in your purse, especially in your purse.
I'm gonna look again. No, honestly, I can't find my wallet. Something's going on right now. Where's my wallet, man?
I don't know.
The only time I be touching your wallet is when you be bringing it to me and you come and tell me to go to the store.
I don't go near yourself out.
Well, somebody must have took my wallet because I can't find my wallet. It's nowhere to be found. You don't know what to tell me.
No, I don't know what to tell you because I didn't touch it. I just told you how I get it in the first place. Because we asked you to go to the store, and then you be bringing me, you're like, bring my bag, and I bring your bag, your wallet, and that's the only time I've seen your wallet.
So what am I supposed to do? My IDs, my money, everything is gone. I can't find it.
So why are you just coming to accuse us for it?
So who has it then? Who else is gonna take my wallet?
Who asked for Kareem?
I mean,
The twins?
Yeah.
They wouldn't take my wallet?
nah, me and
Me ran off.
Yo, I'm not joking, you guys. I want to know what the
You never took your
Don't
wallet.
get crazy
You think we're
over
that
here.
dumb? You never took your wallet.
Somebody took my wallet. I can't find my wallet.
Trust me, if I took your wallet, I would not be sitting here right now.
Listen, I have stuff to go buy outside. I need my wallet. Somebody needs to give me my wallet right now.
We'll go look properly.
My IDs are, you know which IDs I have in my wallet? And they're all missing.
They're sitting there the whole time.
No, something's not right here. I'm sorry. Like I've checked
What are you
so
trying
many
to say?
times.
What are you trying to say? Who took it then?
Well, somebody had to take it.
Well,
Because where is it?
I never took it.
I've been looking all over the place. I can't find it. I can't find it anywhere. I searched well, it's supposed to be in my bag. I never moved it from my bag, so where the hell is it?
I don't know.
Like, I'm not playing with you guys.
Bro, I know I never took nothing, so.
I don't know why. I just feel like your friend took my wallet.
Me?
Yeah, you. I think you took my phone.
Bro, why would he take your wallet? Bro.
I think you took my wallet because
No, I wouldn't do that.
okay, Tyreek had in the past, but I don't really know you that well. Okay, so I don't trust you.
What are you talking about? You don't know him that
Funnily,
well.
as soon as he comes to my house, my wallet goes missing. Like seriously, like where the hell is my
I
wallet?
never-
Don't misplace your things and come and blame that.
I never.
He had to have taken my wallet. And why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? It's not a joke. Like, where's my wallet?
Everybody knows I wouldn't do that.
No. I don't know about that. Because my wallet is gone and nobody can't tell me where it is. All y'all telling me you guys don't know where my wallet is.
Go ask Mark, Leonardo, and Shanti. then.
No. They
Don't
never
come to
took my
us
wallet.
first.
They never took my
Don't
wallet.
come to us first.
It's one of you three that took my
Always
wallet, and I
do
know
this,
it.
bro.
I feel it's you. Because why all of a sudden you come to my house and you take my wallet?
See,
And my wallet's gone.
But I bet you if
Never
she finds your
disrespect
wallet, she's
anybody
gonna look
like
so dumb. She wouldn't even say a word to us.
Yo, listen, you took my wallet. You didn't take my wallet. Well, I want to search you then.
For what?
I want to search you. I want to see if you got wallet because yo, I need my stuff. I need my stuff.
I have nothing.
Yo, you have to have my wallet.
Why would I
I
let
want
my
my
friend
wallet.
take my own mom's wallet?
Yo, listen, how do you even know? When he goes to the washroom or wherever else he goes, how do you guys
If
know?
he took your wallet, he'd be gone out of here.
Listen, I want my wallet and I want it now. I want my wallet now.
We don't have your wallet, so.
Okay, well I'm searching all of y'all because I want my wallet.
You
I want my wallet.
I didn't take it though.
Never took it.
You know I wouldn't take
Listen,
it.
I feel you took my wallet. I
I
don't care.
didn't take it.
Where'd you hide it? It's not funny, bro. Like, where's my wallet, man?
I wouldn't take your wallet.
Like, this is not a joke, guy. How would you feel if your wallet goes missing? With your money and all your IDs. You know how hard it is to get IDs?
It's right there.
Right where?
Oh, how tricky.
Yo, listen, don't play around, bro.
I
Don't
don't know
play
where it
around
is,
with me
bro.
right now. This is not the time. I want my wallet.
Well, we don't have it for you, so you're out of luck. You're out of luck, buddy.
I didn't take that. I wouldn't take it. I'll never commit to do that.
You took my freaking wallet. I knew it was you.
You never, bro.
That's why you're laughing.
Because you're funny.
You took my wallet. I'm not funny.
Yeah, you are.
I'm
You're-
serious
you're
right
a
now. I want my
comedian.
stuff.
You're a comedian.
I want my stuff.
You're a comedian. Whoever took it. Bye. Have a nice day.
Yo, listen, this is not a flipping joke, yeah? This is not a joke right now. My wallet is gone missing.
We never took
It is gone.
I'm in the room or like.
With my money, my IDs. You kids do not have no idea of how hard it is
Look at this dude.
to get IDs back. It takes a lot of time. I'm gonna need my IDs for things that I have to do with my life.
You're being so annoying.
I need my wallet.
No one took your wallet.
I'm gonna look one more time. I'm telling you.
Always wants to come accuse people too.
Found it?
No, but I feel you took my wallet.
I wouldn't take it.
I want my
Never
wallet.
took your wallet,
I want my
mommy.
freaking
No,
wallet.
never took your
I wouldn't
wallet,
take-
I want my wallet.
Mommy never took your
I
wallet.
want my wallet. I know you have my
Look, I
wallet.
have nothing in my pockets, literally.
Yeah, you're
I have
hiding it somewhere.
Where would I hide it?
I don't know where, but you're hiding it somewhere.
You want to check my bag? Want to check my jacket or something?
No, you can take out. No, listen. I want my wallet.
I have it.
I want my wallet.
I did I go have
You have
I
it.
wouldn't take anything.
Where'd you put it? Where'd you hide it? Where'd you hide it?
You
Tyreek's
don't
room?
have it.
I want the wallet.
You don't have it.
I wouldn't do that.
Boy.
I would never do that.
You know what? Get out my face. You're a thief and you're a liar. I don't trust you. Get out. Come out of my place, man. Come out of my freaking place, yo.
You're not kicking out.
Yo, come out of my house, yo.
You never took nothing.
I wasn't even.
How are you gonna say he took it?
I actually
You
didn't
didn't even
take
see
it. I
him take
swear
it.
to God, I
You're
didn't
trying to
take
give
You
him
took
up.
my wallet.
I don't have
I
it.
feel you took it. I want my wallet or get out of my house.
Why would I take up my own friend over my
Why are you
mom?
not checking other people? Why are you just checking us through?
Because, what, my 9-year-old kid took my
Yes!
wallet?
Me as a
I don't
liar,
think
she
so.
takes everything.
Listen, I want my wallet. I
I
want
don't
you.
have it.
I want you. Okay, you don't have it? Okay, fine. You know what? There's the door. Go. Go. Get out.
She being dead ass right now?
Get out!
Just leave, fam. She's being annoying, fam. Yeah. We're so annoying. Always does this shit.
It's okay, Mikey. It's a prank.
Got him!
Wow.
You got pranked, baby.
They're in on this?
Right
Wow.
there, baby.
These
You're
are in?
pranked.
You're watching.
Mike,
I
you know,
didn't
you know what?
notice
You
the
know
prank.
I know you would never steal from me, man. Come on, man. You should know better than that.
No,
Sorry.
You're still watching.
I pranked
These are
you.
in on this?
I pranked you, man. How am I what?
You're really trying to get far with the C2 stuff. You keep pranking us.
Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. There's much more to come. All you need to do now is just like, share, and subscribe, and also turn your post notifications on. Have a great day, y'all.